To enhance your experience with Instagram Notes, I'm delighted to guide you through the process of adding music to your notes. Instagram has recently introduced a feature allowing users to incorporate music into their notes alongside their messages. This adds a creative dimension to your communication, enabling you to select a song that complements your message or reflects your mood. If you're eager to utilize this feature but find it missing, worry not. I'll walk you through the steps to obtain it. Firstly, ensure your Instagram app is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from the App Store or Google Play Store. Having the latest version is crucial for accessing new features, such as adding music to notes. Once your app is updated, if you still don't see the music option, there are additional methods to explore. One method involves switching your account to a professional account and then back to a personal account. To do this, navigate to your profile settings, select Switch to Professional Account and follow the prompts. After switching, restart the Instagram app to see if the music option appears. If not, try the next method. Another approach is to report the issue to Instagram support. Take a screenshot of your notes page where the music option should be visible but isn't. Then go to Instagram settings, find the Help section, and report a problem. Upload the screenshot and provide a brief explanation of the issue, requesting the addition of the music feature. After reporting the problem, patiently wait for Instagram to address it. If the music option is still not available after a week, you can follow up with another message to remind them. Once Instagram adds the feature to your notes, you'll be able to enjoy adding music to enhance your messages and expressions.